Profisee Training online certification course by Vistasparks Solutions. Solutions. Master Profisee and gain expertise in master data management, MDM, data governance, data quality, data integration, data modeling, data stewardship, business rules, workflow management, and enterprise data management. Our comprehensive Profisee training program is designed to help professionals create, manage, govern, and maintain accurate and consistent master data across enterprise systems. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world master data management, data quality, data integration, governance, and business process scenarios. Contact on the mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The Profisee training program is designed to help organizations master data management. The program is presented by Vistasparks Solutions, which is known for its expertise in enterprise data governance and master data management excellence. The training will equip participants with the necessary skills and knowledge to effectively manage their master data, ensuring data quality, consistency, and integrity across the organization. Participants will learn how to design, implement, and maintain a robust master data management system, as well as how to overcome common challenges and pitfalls associated with MDM. By the end of the training, participants will gain a solid understanding of master data management principles and practices, enabling them to make informed data management decisions that drive business value. The concept of data quality crisis refers to the widespread issue of poor data accuracy and consistency across various systems within an organization. This can lead to significant problems such as siloed systems, fragmented customer views, and operational inefficiencies. Many digital transformation projects fail before they even begin due to the inability to accurately manage and integrate data from different sources. Poor data quality has severe consequences, including impacts on decision-making, regulatory compliance, and ultimately, revenue. Studies have shown that up to 80% of digital transformation projects fail due to poor data quality issues. Addressing data quality concerns is crucial for ensuring successful digital transformation. Prioritizing data quality enables organizations to avoid common pitfalls and create a more cohesive and efficient data management system. The company offers a range of services including data analytics, IT consulting, and cybersecurity. These services are designed to support businesses in their digital transformation journey, all chain-grim. The company provides a comprehensive framework for data analytics, which includes tools and techniques for data visualization, predictive modeling, and machine learning. The company also offers a range of training programs, including those focused on data science, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. These programs are designed to equip individuals with the necessary skills to succeed in these fields. The company's training programs are delivered by experienced professionals who have expertise in the relevant areas. The programs cover topics such as data mining, natural language processing, and cloud computing. The company's goal is to provide a platform for individuals to learn and grow, and to support businesses in their digital transformation journey. The company's vision is to be a leader in the field of digital transformation, providing innovative solutions and services to businesses. The company's mission statement is to empower individuals and organizations to achieve their full potential through digital transformation. The training philosophy at our company is centered around creating personalized learning paths for our professionals. Every individual has access to relevant skills and knowledge tailored to their specific role within the organization. This approach enables us to accelerate the onboarding process for both new and existing team members, resulting in increased productivity and better utilization of resources. The primary objective is to design a precise curriculum specifically for each professional role, enabling individuals to master their craft and contribute to business success. Corporate training is designed to help organizations scale their team's competence across the entire organization. Standardizing best practices, aligning everyone on unified data management processes and governance standards are key components of this process. Corporate training can also optimize workflows by equipping teams to fine-tune data rules, automate integrations, and improve cross-system workflows. Moreover, professional services can be provided to handle complex, real-world master data management (MDM) implementations. The Profisee course agenda is a crucial part of our training process, outlining the topics and lessons that we will cover throughout the course. It is divided into several sections, each focusing on different aspects of the Profisee software. The first section provides an overview of the course and its objectives. The second section covers the fundamentals of Profisee, including its basic concepts and features. This is a good starting point for those who are new to Profisee or need a refresher on its capabilities. The third section delves into advanced topics, exploring the more complex features and functionalities of Profisee. This section is suitable for those who are already familiar with the basics and want to further develop their skills. The fourth section focuses on data management, covering essential topics like data quality, data integration, and data governance. The final section involves practical application, where learners can apply their knowledge through hands-on exercises and real-world case studies. The Profisee course agenda offers a well-rounded and comprehensive training experience, equipping learners with the necessary skills and knowledge to effectively use Profisee in their daily tasks and responsibilities. The Profisee integration framework provides a robust platform for cross-platform synchronization, enabling organizations to create a single, unified view of their data. The golden record, Boro standarding batters and NS, U-DIST, low ax and DIST. This allows companies to make informed decisions based on real-time data, reducing errors and inconsistencies. By using this framework, businesses can streamline their operations, improve data quality, and increase productivity. The company has been in operation for over 20 years, providing a wide range of services including web development, IT consulting, and cybersecurity. The team at Vistasparks Solutions has extensive experience in managing complex projects, ensuring timely delivery and meeting customer expectations. With a strong focus on innovation and continuous improvement, we strive to stay ahead of the curve in terms of technology and industry trends. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our ability to deliver high-quality solutions that meet the unique needs of each client. Implementation is a critical step in taking what you've learned and applying it to real-world situations. At Vistasparks Solutions, we understand this process and have developed a structured approach to help you bridge the gap between learning and implementation. Our deployment roadmap provides a clear path forward, covering complex topics such as data modeling and real-world scenarios. With our advanced courses, you'll gain hands-on experience and learn how to apply theoretical concepts to practical problems. By working through our roadmap, you'll be able to deploy your skills directly into your business environment, driving tangible results and value. The company has implemented a certification program to provide its employees with the necessary skills to excel in their roles. The program includes a rigorous assessment process that evaluates the practical competency of each employee. This process verifies that individuals possess the real-world skills required to succeed in their positions. The partner-level certification path is designed for those who require the highest level of expertise. This path provides a clear pathway to advancement within the organization. To stay competitive, continuous updates are essential to keep pace with evolving platforms. Investing in certification helps organizations maintain a strong team that remains at the forefront of industry developments. SEO strategies are crucial for making your training content visible to data professionals. To achieve this, it's essential to align your pages with how they actually search for information. This means using high-intent keywords, keyword-rich pages, and technical SEO techniques such as targeting specific terms like MDM certification, creating descriptive, well-structured content, and optimizing meta tags, headings, and site architecture can help improve visibility. Furthermore, ensuring that your content is discoverable requires a focus on stewardship courses that can be navigated easily. By implementing these strategies, you can maximize reach and enrollment for your training content. The content strategy should be based on a clear understanding of the target audience and their needs. The content creators must consider the level of expertise required for each piece of content and tailor it accordingly. For example, beginner learners require more basic information than advanced learners who need more complex information. The content creators must also consider the format of the content, such as video, audio, or written text, and choose the most suitable one for the target audience. The content creator should also focus on the quality of the content, making sure it is well-researched, accurate, and free from errors. The content creators should also consider the accessibility of the content, making sure it is accessible to all learners regardless of their abilities. The company's analytics platform provides real-time data on engagement levels, time spent on modules, and overall proficiency in Profisee certification. Organizations with trained MDM teams achieve significantly higher module completion rates and have a lower failure rate compared to those without this training. The partner certification program has been shown to dramatically reduce the risk of transformation failure by providing deep dive training hours and role-based curricula. Partnering with the company allows organizations to avoid common pitfalls, such as generic training, and ensure a smoother transition from prospect to certified professional. The analytics tool provides valuable insights into learner engagement, enabling organizations to refine their training programs and optimize the learning experience for their team. This includes tracking engagement analytics to identify top-performing modules, applying feedback loops to improve the learning experience, and monitoring the conversion journey of learners over time. By leveraging these tools and strategies, organizations can unlock new opportunities for growth and development within their organization. This is a test of the communication system. The purpose of this exercise is to evaluate the response time and accuracy of the system. We are testing the ability of the user to respond quickly and accurately to a message. The user will be presented with a series of questions and tasks, which they must complete within a certain time frame. The user's responses will be monitored and evaluated based on their speed and accuracy. The goal is to assess the effectiveness of the communication system in handling complex queries and providing timely responses. The user should not attempt to provide any additional information beyond what is requested. Simply respond to each question or task as instructed. If you have any questions about the instructions, please ask them now. Please note that all responses will be recorded and used for evaluation purposes only. This is a one-time test, and it will not affect your regular activities. You can continue using the system as usual after completing this test. Please proceed with the first question. Here is the rewritten text. The purpose of this exercise is to evaluate the response time and accuracy of the system. The user will be presented with a series of questions and tasks, which they must complete within a certain time frame. The user's responses will be monitored and evaluated based on their speed and accuracy. The goal is to assess the effectiveness of the communication system in handling complex queries and providing timely responses. The user should not attempt to provide any additional information beyond what is requested. Simply respond to each question or task as instructed. If you have any questions about the instructions, please ask them now. All responses will be recorded and used for evaluation purposes only. This is a one-time test, and it will not affect your regular activities. You can continue using the system as usual after completing this test. Please proceed with the first question.